Hi, I'm Andrew. Welcome to my DailyDAV. Yesterday I've been working around protocols for people to book deliveries with drones on the request side, and today I'm working with Leo to go further into the response side. Thanks.
Hi guys, the future has already come and keep up to date. Yesterday I made several iterations for our logo, and I must admit that it turned out pretty well. Our new DAV brand characterizes as 5 keywords: innovation, cutting edges, futuristic, sleek, sexy. Today I will try to reflect this in visual image. Have a nice day!
Hey guys, Alec here. Today I'm just going over some of the signed MOUs that we got from our different partners. I'm also reviewing the press release kits that our CCO John made. Later today I'm going to start drafting ideas for our meetups. DAV are going to have DAV meetups here in Israel and abroad. We're going to start developing them, and hopefully in the early week of February we'll have the first one. Stay tuned. Have a great day, guys. Bye.
Hey everybody, Joe Lapardo here. So yesterday was a great day. Went ahead and we had a great first off communications meeting with John and Rachel in the morning, which led to me working on a few different social posts with Rachel. Then I also went ahead and reworked the wireframe, so added some comments on that and some additional work there. So that was really good. Also had a great advisor meeting. Went ahead and did some follow-up with a few of the different advisors I've been speaking to, but speaking to a lot of great people, a lot of great companies. So that was overall a great day, and then a few other marketing things regarding email campaigns and whatnot. Today my main focus is also continuing to build out the wireframe and the website, also working with our freelance journalists. We have about 4 or 5 pieces in the queue right now with different advisors that are coming up, different thought leadership. So a lot of very, very exciting things happening on the content side of things. And then also, as always, working towards the final version of that website, which we're still tracking towards end of month. So overall, a lot of exciting things happening, and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye everybody.
Hi guys, a little change of scenery for me today. Yesterday I had 2 great calls, one with Blockchain AL and the other our weekly communications team call. I also worked with Hadad on the program, the task management program, and making sure we're all up to speed and working on that. Today I will be closing out some of our internal process documents that I've been working on, the CRM in particular, and I will be nailing down our process and schedule for social media content for the next couple of weeks. See you next time.